So we're gonna be doing a thrift haul. I got my bag of clothes. I spent $38 at the thrift store yesterday, which is a lot of money. You know, it was 50% off, and I was like, summertime, gotta get some summer clothing, and I just splurged. Also, I'm going to Cambodia this summer, so I was like, why not? I'm gonna show you guys what I bought and get into depth about each item, because clothes is very important to me and I like to talk about clothes. Okay, bye.
So the first thing I got were these Ray Co-op leggings. They were only $3 and they were a size medium, and plus the material was really thick, so you can't see my underwear or anything, so I copped them. But then trying them on again, I'm like, why'd I get these? They make my butt look really weird and unflattering, and also they hit my waist at a weird point. They're not like high-waisted, so they keep slipping down and I have to keep pulling them up. So I regret this one, but yeah. The next thing I got was this Berkeley t-shirt. It was only $3. All the tags were still on, so it was brand new, and originally it was $15, so this was a steal. And here's it on. It's really cute, comfortable. It fits perfectly, as you can see, just like tucked into a pair of jeans. And this was when I was actually going to go to Berkeley, but I'm not anymore, but I'm still going to keep it because it's cute. Next thing I got were these little boy shorts. As you can see, they're only $2.50 and they were Levi's. I really like the wash and kind of the style of this jean. I really like the style of these jeans already. They just give me that throwback 2008 vibes, Sam Puckett vibes, and they really just bring out my inner tomboy. I could snatch the waist a little bit and shorten it if I wanted to and make it more of a classic jean short, but I don't think I am. Also, they're really comfortable on, so yeah. Okay, humans, so the next thing I got were these Levi jeans, brand spanking new looking. They didn't fit me or anything, but they're really cheap, so I decided to do a transformation with these. As you can see, they look cute as a jean short type of look, so BAM! I did a thrifted transformation, and there you go. We got some jean shorts, baby. I wore these like every day in Cambodia. I had to show them off because I was super proud of myself. The next thing I got, I'm really excited for because I've been looking for one everywhere. It's the granny t-shirt pajama thing. It's super silky and it has cute detailing. Here's one way I'd wear it. Just open, casual, a little bit more swagalicious. Okay. Or I can wear it like this. It's a little bit more put together this way, tucked into my pants. And it's just so cute and flowy. I can feel the breeze when I'm wearing it. It's really comfortable and cooling. And here's me doing my little granny dance. The next thing I got was this Hawaiian touristy t-shirt, which is kind of basic, but for some reason I just had a calling for it. I was debating whether to get it or not, and I decided to get it because the red was just really pretty and the floral pattern. So this is one way that I would wear it, just opened, a little more swagalicious, a little more revealing. Or I can wear it all the way buttoned up, which is still super stylish and cute, but this is for when I'm feeling a little bit more conservative and I don't want to show none. I want to show you guys these really cool buttons because they're like sparkly and rhinestone rock looky, and I really appreciate this detail. I also style it like this or like this. Alright, moving on. Okay. So the next thing I got was another Hawaiian shirt, but this one was so cool. Like, look at the detail. I look like I'm from the 90s. Like, what? It's so flowy. I just look like I'm straight up from Full House. It even has shoulder pads, so that's how you know it's legit. Bye guys, I'm going on vacay with my dog named Comet family. I'll see you later. Okay, peace out. Next thing I got was this collared periwinkle crop top looking thing. It makes me feel like I'm about to go play tennis with my friends at the country club or whatever. This shirt gives people the illusion that my life is put together, which it is not. I was thinking of adding a button right here because it looks kind of awkward just open like that, and I ended up doing so, and now it's ugly because my button work isn't the best, but it's okay, I'll still wear it because it's the perfect length crop top and I really like the color. So next I wanted to be like best dressed and wear floor length skirts, so I picked out this white and blue one. It's really nice. I really like it. I don't know, it makes you feel so free. Like you can just move your legs around. I can squat in it, don't have to worry about nothing. Looks really cute in pictures, so yeah. Then I got this perfect shade of yellow turtleneck. Like look at this color. I love it. I forgot to film how much it was, but it was probably like $3. And even though it's summer and it's hot, I don't know, I really loved this sweater. It reminds me of Arthur. The sleeves are cuffed or cinched. Yes, cinched, not cuffed. And I just really like primary colors, trying to be like Conan Gray. For the last item, I got these really unique sneakers. They caught my eye immediately. I was like, this is so me. This is so Kimberly. Like, I need these sneakers. So even though they were size 9, I had to snatch them up real quick and make it work. And it just reminds me of like old school vibes, like girly, what's it called? Schoolgirl vibes. And when you wear it with like floor length skirts, they just look really cute. And it kind of balances out because I'm not really a girly girl, so putting on sneakers like this kind of balances the boy / girly parts of me. And it looks really cute when you run away, see? And I don't know, like they remind me of Carrie Diaries, something like Sebastian would wear or something. Oh my god, sorry grandpa for putting my feet on your table. Yeah, I like them. So that was it for my first ever thrift haul. Thank you guys so much for watching and bearing through my weirdness. Bearing through me talking about my clothes, ranting about a few things, and just enjoying. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Ew, I'm so cringy. So if you enjoy videos like this and want to see more content made by me, please like and subscribe down below. Comment your favorite thrift store so I can go stop by, and also what you like to look for in thrift stores so we can share our fashion advice. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye! And I'll see you later.